How to be motivated while running a business. Okay, wait, let's imagine something. You have a lot of clients, they are paying you well. Your current customers are super happy and your team is growing and they are working hard. Everything looks great. At this time, when things are going in your favor, your motivation is on the next level. You are feeling so pumped about growing your business, but then next month arrives, your current customers are leaving you and trying out maybe your competitor. You are not getting new clients and your team is also complaining about different stuff. What will you feel? My question is, what will you feel? Well, you will feel demotivated. You don't want to work at that time. So the point is, motivation affects the growth of your business. During the good times, your motivation is on a different level, and during the bad time, you will feel completely demotivated, right? So in this video, I will be talking about how to be motivated running a business at all the times. Hi guys, my name is Shelly. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed to it yet, please do so you don't miss any videos. So cheer up and let's stay connected throughout the video. And let's jump onto my video and let me show you a mind map and learn how to stay connected. The first and foremost trick that you must do to stay motivated is to set a goal. In order to stay motivated, you need to choose a goal and then set it. Because when you set a goal, you make a decision to act in a way that will help you achieve what you want. Goals give you a direction to focus on, one that's measurable and has an endpoint. You are much more likely to stay motivated if you are working towards something that you genuinely want to do or achieve rather than what other people want for you. Okay, so keep yourself goal oriented, and it would be better if you divide your long term goals into weekly or daily steps. This weekly or daily targeted steps will build a ladder to help you climb the stairs of success. For a minute, just imagine how it will feel after you cross all the hurdles and achieve your goal successfully. You will get goosebumps and a sense of satisfaction, right? So keep that feeling of accomplishment in mind. Set your goals and see that motivation will result brilliantly. Now let's talk about the second step to running a business with motivation. It is searching for inspiration. Let me explain this to you with an example. Like, what will I do if I were at your position? See, I'm an entrepreneur and a coach. So I help young entrepreneurs and professionals make money by starting their own business without any prior knowledge. So in this make money online industry, there are many known popular marketers who are running a successful online business for years. So what I will do is I will search for one brilliant marketer who is my competitor though, and I will learn about their tricks and get inspired by their way of doing things. But make sure not to jump to any competitors as it leads to confusion. Following the competitors' way of doing makes me inspired and motivated that if they can do it, then why can't I? But remember not to copy their way, instead learn from their skills. Okay, so I would recommend you to find inspiration just like I did and search for a person that inspires you and will help you to stay motivated. So with this point, here comes the third trick to stay motivated, and that is focus on improving yourselves rather than comparing with others. Always remember to focus on your race to get successful and to win it. Simply don't divert your mind anywhere else. See, as I said in my previous point also, to search for an inspirational person as it's necessary for the growth of the business, but don't get demotivated from it. Take your competitor's journey as a lesson and try to learn from it. Feel motivated that if they can do it, you can also do it, because this is the only thing that will make you grow your business. You need to have faith in yourself, and this way you will stay motivated for the rest of your life. So now what to do if you lose motivation? See, setbacks are normal, but Developing resilience can help you carry on and pick up where you left off. So, let me discuss some tips to help you find motivation again. Okay, review your goals and see if they are realistic in the time frame that you have set. You may need to break down your goal further into smaller and more achievable goals. Remember why you wanted to get motivated or reach that goal in the first place. Next one is to take motivation from others. Feel inspired by their reading a book, talking to your mentor or friends or family who have achieved similar goals to the ones that you have set. And the last tip is that I would like to give is sometimes you just need to take a break and start afresh. So with this we have come towards the end of the video, and if you like this particular video useful, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can join my Facebook community, as this Facebook community is all about starting your own online business without any prior knowledge or experience. I look forward to engaging with you in that group. Thank you for watching it so far. Bye.